The biggest problem that maize growers are experiencing these days is the acute shortage of labor for manual sowing of maize. For high yield of maize crop, timely sowing is very important. Even a little delay in sowing can reduce the yield. Considering all these problems of maize growers, National Agro Industries has developed National Maize Planter. It can sow maize in a better way than other sowing methods and needs very less time as compared to manual sowing. Let's see how National Maize Planter is better than other sowing methods of maize. This is National Maize Planter. Its main parts are seed hoppers, a fertilizer hopper, driving wheel, depth control wheels, seeding tines, and main frame. Growers can do a number of adjustments as per their specific requirements. Let's start sowing with National Maize Planter. Firstly, fill the seed hoppers with seeds. Care should be taken to add seeds of uniform size only. There should be no foreign particles in the seeds which can clog or damage the seed metering system. National Maize Planter's fertilizer hopper has a shaft with array of small agitators and worms. These worms ensure the proper movement of fertilizer in hopper, and agitators break the fertilizer clods, if any, to ensure the continuous supply of fertilizer. Fertilizer hopper should be filled with fertilizer. Care should be taken to avoid any foreign particles and clods of fertilizer which can obstruct the system. National Maize Planter's fertilizer dispensing rate is also adjustable. This can be done by loosening the wing nut on the fertilizer hopper and adjusting the fertilizer indicator with the help of a handle on the fertilizer hopper. After this, wing nut should be tightened again. Once this setting is done, whenever fertilizer supply is opened, it will dispense at the previously set rate. National Maize Planter can be attached with tractor with the help of 3-point linkage. After that, it's ready to use. National Maize Planter's seed sowing depth can also be controlled. For this, depth control wheels situated on both sides of it can be set with the help of T-bolt. Sowing depth increases if the depth control wheel goes up, and if it goes down, sowing depth decreases. National Maize Planter's row-to-row spacing can be adjusted with the help of U-clamp as per the requirement. National Maize Planter starts working immediately as the tractor starts moving. For best results, the speed of tractor during sowing should be 3 to 5 km per hour. When the planter starts moving, seed hopper disc starts working. Observe carefully that disc is not picking up double seeds. In some cells, it's called doubling. Also observe if some cells of rotating discs are not picking up seeds. This is called missing, to avoid doubling and missing. National Maize Planter has a special provision for inclination adjustment of seed hopper. If problems like missing and doubling persist even after adjusting the inclination of seed hopper, it means seed size is not uniform. Use seeds of uniform size for flawless operating of National Maize Planter. If uniform sized seeds are not available, then grower can sort the available seeds himself with sieve to avoid these problems. Distance between seeds can be gauged by moving National Maize Planter a few yards. This distance can be adjusted as per the requirement by changing the different sprockets provided with National Maize Planter. For this, appropriate tools are provided in Maize Planter's toolbox. Big sprocket increases the distance between the seeds, and small sprocket decreases the distance between the seeds. After making all the desired adjustments, sowing can be started with National Maize Planter after putting down the marker of one side. For adjusting the marker according to different crops, please refer to the instructional manual of National Maize Planter.